Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So today's client is a full set. She wanted some colourful nails as she's going to Leeds Pride next week. So she decided to do a coloured ombre but have each nail a different colour. So we picked these nails as they've all got a beautiful shimmer to them. So they all go really nicely in this set. So this first colour I'm coming in with is Lavender Shimmer. So I'm just coming in with that and then blending that back. And then while that dries, I go on to the next nail and I come in with a beautiful green colour, which is called Pistachio, and just doing the same thing again. So the core powder that I'm using on all nails today is the Peacherbel Soft. And the brush that I'm using is Glitterbels size 12. So just coming in now with Peacherbel Soft and just blending that over the purple. I did leave all the nails in today for you guys because each nail is a different colour. After doing my ombre, I always like to come in with the colour again at the end of the nail and just blend that back up just to get that blend really flush. So you can see the shimmer a bit better in this colour. This one is, I believe it's Rosebud. It is a really pigmented colour. So you only need tiny beads. And now on this finger I'm coming in with Sky Blue. So if you're not already, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will try and get as many videos posted for you guys. Sometimes you do forget to press record when a client comes in, but I'll try and get as many done as possible. But if there is anything in particular anyone would like to see, then just let me know in the comments. So now the thumb, I'm just coming in with this yellow colour, which is called Buttercup, which is a beautiful yellow. Again, really pigmented. So just, you only need really small beads. And it blends so nicely with Peacherbel Soft as well. I apologise for this bit as well. As you can see, my head gets in the way. So just coming back to the little finger now, and I'm just going to go and cap all the nails in Glitterbels glass slippers. So when you're capping the nails in your clear, just always make sure to constantly wipe the sides of the nail, as the acrylic can run slightly. So by wiping the sides, you're stopping the nail from getting really bulky, and then you'll just have a lot more filing to do. So just keep wiping those side walls and keep that shape nice. So I'm just coming in now with the opposite hand, and I'm just top coating. So as you can see, we did exactly the same design on this hand, except off camera I did apply some crystals, just some Swarovski AB ones, and just applied those to the middle finger using a tiny bit of nail glue. Always make sure as well to top coat around them and not over them, or they'll lose their shine. And then I'm just going to cure this in my lamp for 60 seconds, and then that's the nails done. So I've left a quick picture at the end for you guys, and that's it. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.